Hello everyone, hope you guys are having great time. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to properly apply the brakes on while riding a motorcycle. So most of the riders who have been riding for a while, still they don't know the proper way to brake while riding a motorcycle. And guys, how to apply brake is one of the most important things that you should learn while you are learning to ride a motorcycle. So guys, first let's learn the basics. On the right hand you have the brake pedal for the front wheel, and if you want to engage the brakes on the rear wheel, then you need to press the brake with the right leg. So if you apply brake with the right leg, then means you are applying brake on the rear wheel, and if you are applying brake with the right hand, then you are applying brake on the front wheel. So the basic trick here is to apply both front and rear brake at the same time. So the best way to brake is you apply both front and rear brake at the same time. And guys, if you are riding at relatively higher speed, then never press the clutch while braking. You should want to press the clutch when your speed of the motorcycle reduces below around say 20 km/h. And another thing guys, while you are entering the corner, don't ever press the brake while you have already entered the corner. So before entering the corner, you apply both the brakes and slow down your speed of the motorcycle, and then only you enter into the corner, because it's very risky to apply brake at the higher speed in the corner. So I recommend you guys to practice on the parking lot, and you try to brake both front and rear at the same time, because that's the simple trick to brake on a motorcycle. And only press the clutch while braking if you guys are riding at a relatively low speed. If you guys are riding at a high speed, then never ever press the clutch. You only press the clutch when the speed of your motorcycle reduces around 20 km/h or say below 20 km/h. So guys, this is all for today's vlog. Hope you guys learned something from this vlog. So basically I have talked few tips and tricks on braking while riding a motorcycle. If you guys learned something from this video, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe and take care.